My name is Badresh Sumantra Issa. I had been here for 2 months for my this rigorous training. I am 70 years old. When we visited this Slimify gym for the first time, they explained 7 stages of exercises. These is a tabletop exercises are very good for the senior citizens and it is very effective. But this cavitation, EME and heat, all three segments are very effective. When we started it, it is a really effective process on each of the table for 7 minutes and it helps in loses the weight. So this Slimify center is really a very appealing center and effective also at the same time, and innovative gym for the senior citizen. Affects the exercise on the particular tissues and it is a really a good therapy for the all senior citizen. તમે તમારી હેલ્થ માટે વધારે કોન્શિયસ હો તો સ્લિમિફાઈ સેન્ટરમાં આવો અને અહીં ટ્રીટમેન્ટ લો. અહીંનો સ્ટાફ